Hey guys, so I'm filming this intro really quick because I'm not really sure if I'm gonna film it when I get in the car, and I'm not really sure if this is gonna be a thing, but I'm going thrift shopping with Brianna. She's been in one of my vlogs before. I think you guys have seen her, but we're going thrifting, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, of course. Look at my hair. I feel like I'm giving you poetic justice vibes a little bit.
I don't know.
Okay, guys.
I don't know what to say.
Brianna's literally trying to kill me right now.
Okay.
We're on our way to Goodwill.
Good job, Scary. Way to do the intro.
We're on our way. We're on our way to Goodwill, and we're about to get it poppin', rockin'.
It's gonna be so fun.
And yeah. Alright guys, so we're about to do a mukbang for you all.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Stop, man. Food in my mouth.
Mukbang.
Good. I'm on show. Oh my god. We're not even gonna do it. We're just gonna keep.
Okay. First of all, let's just get a review going here because honestly,
Yeah.
Sonic isn't good.
Where are we at? Though, at least
It's
the
so
one by.
overrated. The one in. It's just.
No, we are.
The one in Westchester's not that good.
You tapped on my window.
These things like the smoothies though, these are always
Come
popping.
on.
Always popping.
Don't ever question those. If you question
Never.
those, you're not. No.
Never.
No.
But in this meal, it comes with one onion ring, tastes like ice cream, and some tots that remind me of the ones off Napoleon Dynamite.
I like the tots always. I always like the tots from here because it's like
Literally.
you don't really get tots that much.
Yeah, that's true.
So I appreciate
You
that.
might be going somewhere with
yeah.
that. And then I got a piece of toast, so big things. We're doing big things out here. All right, guys. Seriously, I'll see you when we get this.
Mukbang.
I wish you had a mic really close.
Bro, yes. I'm gonna use all my muscles and let you hear everything.
Let's do it. I'm too goofy to do that. I can't sit here and whisper a whole video.
I can't.
It's just too much. Oh, shoot, my wrench.
Come on.
Hey, this might be really cringy for anybody who's watching, so I apologize.
Cringe.
We're out of here. I'll talk to you guys when we get to the store. Oh, change of plans. We're gonna play those closet first. So I don't really know if everybody would count that as a thrift store, which is like a secondhand shop. So I mean, I guess you can.
Okay.
But
Is it gonna be expensive because I'm about to leave?
I know, right? I don't know. They be playing, but
We're gonna step in and see the first price we see. If it's too high, we're walking right out.
all right. That's the plan. You heard it here first, folks. All right, bye, guys. I mean, like, honestly. Hi, You really gonna wait until I start the vlog to do that?
Did you say that? I mean,
No.
did you put it on the blog?
No.
Okay, good.
Look, guys. So I think I'm
So
gonna
should she get these or
should I get
these
the
that are on my
spears,
feet?
or should I get these? I don't know. I think I might get both if my mom sends me some money. But these are, look at these spears. They're in pretty good condition. They're $16. These shoes right here are only $10. So I'm gonna get both. And then they just changed the game with the skirts, though.
No, but for real.
They definitely just changed the game.
It's
I
my
just
house.
ran into these.
I'm singing the song.
Mi casa es tu casa. All right, guys.
All right, you gotta get these.
All right, guys. So, ooh,
Wait.
hello. All right, this is all we got.
Oh. And it's like I just got shoes for my dad.
Yeah,
So make
and
sure
I
you
just
get your
got-
dad stuff. And
gotta
the lady
get-
thought we were sisters. She said, "Your sister signed up." I said,
You guys both act a mess, so people just assume that you're family.
"That's how it is,
Well,
though."
I got me some shoes, and that's all. Where am I going?
No, Ari.
Oh, not even your car. All right.
Look
Well,
at the same thing.
it's fine, everybody. I just got a pair of shoes, and
Can we
that's
go to
all.
Once
So
Upon a Child?
I'll hit you up. Next
Thrift there,
place.
The Thrift?
I'll see you guys when we're done. Bye. You guys, we're in this Goodwill and they don't have a dressing room, so I just took my clothes off.
Why would you post this on Instagram? You know you was gonna get out.
But I like
I was about to sneak this, sorry. She's about to shade somebody on my vlog and they gonna know what she's talking about.
I like this. So it's
But
for
look,
teacher
Ari.
vibes. I'm gonna be a teacher. It's for when I go teach in classroom. Teacher vibes or yes? Why is Brianna so childish? Open the door. Oh my god, I hate my friend so much. Ah!
You didn't act right?
I'm rich, guys. Like, I'm kidding. This is totally my sister's money. We're putting it into my account.
We're rich. We shop at
Way to make us look.
Wait. But yeah, so basically, so today was a success.
No, but look, it low-key wasn't because
It wasn't.
all I got was,
Show them what you got.
I got a dress.
Show 'em.
Okay. Uh-oh, we're gonna have to make this really quick, guys.
No, you
I
don't.
got this really nice dress. I mean,
the
yes, not like I
carpet.
really have that much stuff. Can you hold it? I'm gonna get
This my song.
copyrighted.
This is my song.
I'm
Okay.
gonna get copyrighted. It doesn't matter what your song is.
We don't own the
All right,
rights to
hold
this
it up.
song.
That doesn't not get you copyrighted. What? Okay, hold this up so we can show
Okay.
them.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is the first dress that I doing some justice.
Okay.
You see that collar on there? It's gonna make me look rich with those gold details or those silver details. I don't really know, but it's like midi length, and I'm gonna wear that when I'm a teacher. Not when I'm a teacher, but when I go to do
Yeah, if you wear
my
when you're a
internship
teacher, you're gonna
and
be
stuff like
25. And I don't know.
might be out of style by then, huh? But I just like it because of the cool little collar. It makes me look really sophisticated.
Yeah, it's really good though.
Next,
He looks cute in it, so don't play with her.
and then I just got these Sperry's from Plato's Closet for $16, and they're in really good condition. Like, these literally are like new. So yeah, $16.
Back up.
I'm literally scared. I'm peeing on myself. The guy outside just said, "Can you back up real quick?"
I didn't even know he said that. You said,
Where-
I rolled out my window so quick because I didn't know who was saying that. That was a hobo
So
somewhere.
you rolled up your window.
I don't know why I rolled up my windows. I just got scared.
Whoa, that double chin is crazy.
I don't see one. But okay.
You're gonna see one when you watch this video. What else did I get?
You
Was
looking
that
at
all?
my trash bag?
Was that all I got? And then what did you get? Show what you got though, so it can make it look like a more successful.
Yeah. Act like it's yours now.
A little ugly.
Just flip that up so you can't hear that.
I'm not gonna edit
Why do you
that
say
out.
can you back up?
She
real
got
quick,
this
baby?
crop
We're not in
top.
New
You
York.
can't really see it because here, hold it out. Do it justice. Oh. And then these pantalones. I don't really know if I want to take them all the way out. They're just black jeans.
Black
okay,
jeans,
everybody.
little rippers.
And then,
My
and then some Nike.
I love these.
All right, here, take them out so we can do them
Okay.
justice. Nobody's behind us.
Okay, nobody's behind us.
All right, and then she
I
got
love
these
these.
Nike sweats.
Look though, they're joggers, baby.
Yeah, they're joggers.
Because they got that. But look at them.
And then on the inside, they say, "Just do it." Yeah, so
Why?
that's what we got today from this journey, from
I don't know why I
this
said
trip
that. I'm sorry.
or whatever.
I said why?
And honestly, yeah, it wasn't all that great, but
Don't drop no money. Sorry, I'm trying to put somebody's mouth real quick.
so that's what we got. Oh, and then she got her dad some shoes. Show him the shoes. Wear the shoes.
Yeah.
Her dad said, "Hey, keep me in mind. Give me some shoes," and she didn't. What a great daughter.
Like real
Look at
life
these cool
nice
little Nike
shoes.
guys. Those look like really good condition. Like it looks like no one's worn
That's
these
what
shoes.
I'm saying though.
But yeah, so those are pretty cool. We're lit.
Lit
Went
nation.
to the- I wish you guys could see how small this bug is. She just did all that, made me freak out, and it's like a little skeeter. Put you guys in here while we make this hood transaction. Oh, and you. Here, my code is.
You gotta get out.
No,
you don't
no.
get out. Whisper in my ear. I don't like that. I don't even whisper. Oh shoot, it's a car. So we're gonna. Somebody's gonna be behind this bitch, son.
Okay.
Get out, Ari.
No, seriously, I need you to do it. Listen.
Ari, I'm about to leave. Ari, I'm about to leave for real.
Oh, it's a vacuum. They're vacuuming their
Nah,
car.
I'm turning the car off.
7, 7, 9. Give me that. So dramatic, man. I'm telling you. Alright, you're done. After many complications, we got our finally. Brianna's happy. Even though it doesn't look like it. Alright, guys, so.
It's 7 a.m. the next. We've been thrifting all day, all night. 7 a.m.
No, it's not,
The next
guys.
day.
Okay, we just left B-Dubs, and it was quite the encounter, quite the test of patience. So, anyways, but we're about to get out of here. I just wanted to end the video before I got back home and went to sleep and forgot about it. So,
See you guys. Thanks for having me, Ari. Thank you.
bye, guys.
Now I can't even replay it. I'm not in the mood no more. You swiped it off. I wanted to see what they were saying.
Listen, guys.
Get in my car, why don't ya?
Love God.
Love yourself. Straight at
We're about to
somebody.
crash head on into another vehicle. So we're gonna get off before Brianna kills me. Bye. Look. You're so annoying.
You will love me. Whatever you want, whatever you need, whatever you want. Okay.
Come on, we're about to get copyrighted any second now.
Run me, bye.